Oh, come on, fire. There we go. As you can see, as you can hear, it's raining because of the thunder. And don't believe me, it's raining like hell. Damn rain! You made me look bad. I can't even go back in my back porch because of the rain. It's raining so bad that it's going in my back porch. I can't even go there. That's just crazy, outrageous. Man, I wanted to sit down on a chair and smoke, but no, it has to rain. Just in the moment that I have to go to work later. I just hope it stops raining. That's it. You know what's even more crazy is that there's a portion of like the sky where it's like still light outside. I can show you that it's still light outside. Give me one moment. Look at that, and it's still raining. Goodness gracious! Damn rain. Damn rain. Yep, this is what I have to deal with. Look how bad it got even heavier. It got even heavier. The rain got heavier. And I've been viewing my video I was gonna post. I can't even hear my own voice because of the rain. You're kidding. Yep, this is a sign that there's a hurricane coming. Yep, there's a hurricane coming. Oh, great.